Mark, you're back from your trip to Western Mass and your investigation into, it was Michael's foundation?
Michael out of Springfield, right.
What did you figure out?
Well, what we found was stuff that's not so good. You remember what concrete's made out of?
Uh-oh, test, right? So we got Portland cement,
Yep.
sand, aggregate.
An aggregate. So in the aggregate, in this particular concrete, we found a mineral called pyrrhotite. And in that pyrrhotite is another mineral called iron sulfide.
Okay.
Yeah, so once that stuff gets hit by water or moisture interacts with it, kind of puffs up, swells a bit, and also rusts.
So they got a bad mix?
They got a bad mix, but that bad mix seemed to have continued for quite a while.
Wait. So this is not just a problem with Michael's house? This is a bad mix coming from where?
We've actually found this problem in northern Connecticut, western Massachusetts. A lot of houses.
Like how many? We're talking hundreds or thousands?
Right now we're talking about 36,000 houses, but that list could be endless.
What? How does that happen?
Well, they've been milling this quarry since, like I said, the early 80s,
Yeah.
all the way up until last year. So
And they don't have this problem 20 years ago?
well, that's it. 20 years is the number. It usually takes about 20 years for this problem to surface.
Oh my goodness. Tom, are you hearing this?
I've been listening, and it's unbelievable. It's
crazy.
So we've got tens of thousands of homes, something I didn't even know was in the concrete, and I mean the foundation crumbling.
It's like foundation. I mean, the foundation
That's
is
your
the
house.
key to the house.
Yeah.
That's holding it all up. I mean, you've got your concrete footing, you got your walls, you got your floor, and if that's all bad, you've got to take that out. How are you going to do it? Well, you're going to remove the house off of the foundation. You've got to support it, slide it out of the way, blast out all of that foundation with jackhammers, take it all out, and pour a whole new base, whole new walls, and floors.
Financially devastating to Michael to have to go through that.
So-
but now, I mean, if you think about it,
It's financially devastating to the point where we don't know if these guys can go to a bank and get a loan.
Right. Oh, yeah, the value of your house is through.
That's right.
but at 36,000 homes, I mean, it's not just Michael's house. It could be an entire street or entire neighborhood with a, holy mackerel, that is.
Definitely.
Have you heard
I've
of
been
this?
listening. Yikes.
This is, I mean, tens of thousands of houses.
I mean, it really just sounds like it's another in a long list of the sort of the nightmares we've heard about in the building industry. You know, urea formaldehyde was once this insulation with all this promise. It outgassed. You know, lead paint was who knew
Lead
that?
paint. They thought that was great.
That's right, right. And then even led to a water main. So this is awful.
So, is there any recourse for Michael and the tens of thousands of others?
A little bit right now. State of Connecticut has got a fund that's already has $100 million in it. I don't know how much that'll help. Again, you're talking about a big problem.
Yeah, and he's not in Connecticut.
He's not in Connecticut. State of Massachusetts has done nothing as of yet, and we're even, not us, but people are even petitioning FEMA for some relief.
Right.
So we don't know how far that'll go.
So, unfortunately, at this stage, the only news for Michael is bad news, is that there's nothing out there to help him through this.
Unfortunately, yeah, I think he's up a creek without a paddle, as they say. Yeah.
So that is difficult news, Michael, and to the other tens of thousands who are in the same situation. So we are sorry to deliver that information. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.